borrowed knowledge too. Borrowed means that which is not mine, that which is taken from Ramana. Question. If I am none of these, then who am I? After negating all of the above mentioned as not this, that awareness which alone remains, that I am. What does he mean by awareness? The knower, the one that is knowing. Oh, I'm not this body, I'm not this mind, I'm not this intellect, I'm not this memory, I'm not this ego. Who was the one knowing that I'm not this, not this, not this? That one. That is only awareness. It's a field of witnessing awareness. Witnessing knowingness. Very clear? So self-insight too has broken it down again. Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana reveals the waking dhatu story of bone, blood, muscles, fat, plasma, bone marrow and fluids are not me. The waking sense organs and their corresponding sense object stories comprising of eyesight, ear sound, nose odor, tongue flavor, skin texture are not me. The waking locomotive organs and their function stories comprising of tongue speech, legs locomotion, hands grasping, genitals excretion, reproductive organs reproduction are not me. The waking prana stories of apana, prana, samana, udana, vyana, the panchavayus is not me. The waking body is not me. The mind is not me. Even nations is not me. Only that which remains after all dissolve, the permanent background of the now, is me. Clear? Do you see it like this, moment to moment to moment? Am I talking about seeing through the eyes? The eyes will still see the waking world as a continuous one chunk. It's the witness that takes the stand beyond the body-mind belief and abides beyond and recognizes, oh, it's just one arising, then one, then one, then one. I'm just weaving a story. Can I see it? That's how you recognize, oh, I'm not this, I'm not this, I'm not this. That which I can know is not me. Is that very clear? Because I'm the knower. Yeah, for example, the eyes. The eyes can know ekta. Means they can see ekta. Can the eyes turn and look at themselves? No. They cannot turn and look at themselves. So the knower cannot be perceived. Do you recognize this? It can only be sensed. You can only sense that you have vision. Or you don't have vision. You can sense. That's how you know that there is vision or there is no vision. You can sense, but you cannot turn around and look at the knower. Yes? So like that, I just took eyes as an example. I'm talking about the witnessing awareness field. Don't try to make it an object that I need to find. You're trying to see it. Can you see it? You're trying to see space. Can you see space? I cannot see it. You're trying to make it an object of perception. That's where you will fail. It can only be sensed. That which can be sensed. See, I am this field. I am not limited to this. It's so clear. I am this, and this knows this. Do you recognize this? This knows this. That which is known can be perceived as an object, but the knower cannot be perceived as an object. Is this your seeing? Your own direct seeing? Not Ekta's seeing, borrowed, but your own? Can you glimpse it right now? With your eyes closed, not to look at Ekta, not to hear Ekta. In the silence, attempt to see. Can you recognize that the body is the known and there is something else, a witnessing field all around that knows that body? Do you recognize the knower? That is the awareness Ramana Maharshi is talking about. Not me, not me, not me, not me, not me. Then you recognize that which is me. I can sense it, but I cannot see it, I cannot hear it, I cannot touch it, I cannot taste it, I cannot smell it, I cannot even think about it. Do you realize it? You cannot think it. How do you sense it? Yes, something that knows. Do you recognize that quality of it? It only knows. It doesn't do anything else. It cannot do anything else. Do you recognize it? It just knows. That is the witnessing awareness. Now hold on to it. You found it. Don't let it slip. Hold on to it. If there is even a little bit of a hole in the patra, the knowledge will fizzle out very soon. That is why journaling is important. Do you get what I'm saying? Yeah? We are trying to fix that little hole which is there in the patra so that we are able to contain this knowledge. Yeah? Be humble enough, yes, I need to really work to contain this, to stay here, to hold on to it. And then it will come to you. If you are very egoistic, oh, I get it, I got it, next. You didn't get it. Because it's so yummy, it's so delicious that you cannot let it go once you see it. Yeah? So find it. Recognize what is he talking about? What is this awareness? What is this witnessing? What is this knowingness? It can only do that. Only witness. Only be aware. Only know. Can I catch it? Hold it? Grasp? Yeah? Can I taste it? Touch it? Yeah. Who's knowing this action of trying to perceive it? That is knowing. That cannot be known. Just like the eyes cannot turn towards themselves. Like that. The knower cannot be known but can be 100% sensed. Again, it just says I am. Not I am this, not I am that. Just I am. You feel it. The sense of being. So how many of you realize this? That the witness was constant through waking, dreaming, deep sleep, then back to dream, back to waking. As a beginner, you will get only glimpses. You won't see it continuous 100 on 100. It will not happen overnight. First, you'll see a glimpse in the waking where you recognize, oh, this is who I am, not this. This knows this. Then that same thing automatically continues in the dream where even in the dream you see yourself as the dream character, neck down, and you're doing something, whatever is happening, you wanted to eat a pizza, you didn't get it all day, you're eating in the dream, and suddenly you realize, I'm dreaming. That moment, it is, I am knowing this is a dream. The knower is suddenly recognized and the known is separately perceived. And it lasts only for a second and it collapses. Did you realize that? Why does the dream collapse the moment I recognize I am dreaming? I stop identifying with the dream character. The moment I recognize I'm dreaming, will I want to continue? No, the pizza is not real. There is no real flavor there. I'm not truly enjoying. I see it as an illusion, so I let it go. When the dream collapses, it collapses because I have recognized that I am not the dream character. I'm the one who's witnessing the dream, knowing the dream. Oh, this is only a dream.